My name is Travis, and we're located down here in Griffin, Georgia. So we have a small warehouse down here where we do some production. And every time it rained, we were having constant floods and leaks all over our building. So we called the waterproof group. So the guys came out, looked at our roof, said that we qualified for, or we would be a good candidate for their roof coating system. So they gave us an estimate. It was very fair, very professional. So we decided to go ahead and make that choice. So with them coming out and putting their roof system on, we didn't have to shut down. We didn't have to slow our production. They were very quick, very professional. They did the job in 2.5 days. It was outstanding. Customer service was phenomenal. Well, we've been able to save so much money by not losing inventory due to water damage. We were spending money on trying to fix these small leaks here and there, and it just wasn't working. They came out with a total solution, installed it. It was amazing. I think the best part of working with the guys, they were very, very professional. Nice family-owned business. Anytime I had a question or a concern, if I gave them a call, they were quick to respond. If I sent an email, they always got right back to me. I would absolutely recommend the waterproof group. The professionalism that we were given, the quality of the work done, hands down, without a doubt, the best that we've seen.